If you've been looking at luxury properties in North or Northeast Tucson, you'll definitely want to stick around with us today. We're going to take you inside a stunning luxury property in North Tucson and show you everything it has to offer.
Let's get to it.
Welcome back, or if you're new to this channel and you want to learn everything from A to Z about living in Tucson, AZ, then click subscribe and tap that bell for notifications so you can be the first to learn about the current market in Tucson, Arizona. Hi, I'm Jennifer Smith and this is my husband,
Justin Smith.
And we've helped hundreds of people just like you move to
and from
Tucson, Arizona. So whether you're moving in 12 days, 12 weeks, 12 months, we've got you covered. Give us a call, shoot us a text or an email, and let us help you make that smooth move to Tucson, Arizona. All right, so as I mentioned, we are out here today on Tucson's north side to take you inside a stunning luxury property. But before we go inside and show you everything this home has to offer, let's talk about everything the area around us has to offer. So to start off, this house is located in a small subdivision of 4 homes. It's called Double 5, and it is off of Sabino Canyon and Cloud. Now this subdivision is tucked in off of Cloud down a side street, and if that wasn't enough, this little subdivision is just a gated one street with a cul-de-sac at the end of it, and this home is located off that cul-de-sac, so it is quiet and peaceful out here.
Absolutely. It's gorgeous in this area too. We're actually a stone's throw away from Sabino Creek, which doesn't have running water in it except for like monsoon season or maybe a little bit after snow melt up on the mountains.
Yeah.
But that is all the water that does flow through there definitely helps with the vegetation in the area. So you get some of these beautiful mesquite trees that look like root systems that go into the sky. Very, very pretty. And then if we go a little bit further away from the neighborhood, we want to talk about stuff that's nearby. Great hiking nearby, Sabino Canyon, the visitor center within 10 minutes, and you can park right there and just hike as much as you want to.
Yeah.
Pretty easy access up to Mount Lemmon too. I want to say you can be to the top of Mount Lemmon within an hour and be touring Summer Haven. You also have some really good restaurants in the area too.
Absolutely, some of our favorites. So one of the ones that I love in the area is the Cork, previously known as Jonathan's. We have been there several times and it never disappoints. Another one of our favorites that we like to go to, usually on our anniversary, the last couple, is Wild Garlic Grill. If you like garlic, oh my gosh.
So much flavor. Yeah.
So much flavor. And then Vivace. And all of these two, or those 2 restaurants, are actually up by La Encantada, which is a luxury indoor-outdoor shopping mall in the area as well. So that you can be to within 10 to 20 minutes depending on traffic over here.
Yeah, it can definitely vary quite a bit.
But yeah, so aside from everything there is to do in the area, from hiking to shopping and dining, you also have a grocery store, Safeway, just right down the road over here. You have Udall Park, where they have like walking track. They have an indoor and outdoor walking track. They have pickleball. They have the pool. You won't need that with this house. But definitely no shortage of things in the area. So while it feels like you are out here and it's just so peaceful and quiet, like there's nobody around, within 10 minutes you are right in Tucson and convenient to anything that you may need.
Generally just a very desirable part of town. I mean, we have a couple major resorts in the area, Ventana Canyon, we have La Paloma nearby, which are both golf resorts. So
yes, lots of golf in the area.
Yeah, if you're into golf, those are going to be some, just fun places to stay. I mean, we'll do a staycation at La Paloma every once in a while.
Absolutely, that's actually where we got married. There's also Hacienda del Sol, and Canyon Ranch is another one, health and wellness resort, very, very popular, and that is within 10 minutes of here as well. So if you are looking for a great place to stay when you come into town to look at luxury properties, any of those ones that we mentioned are great places to stay and relax. All right, now let's talk about the house. So this home is a masonry construction home with brick accents. You'll see some stucco on some portions of the house as well, and it's situated on 1.4 acres. Like, this is such a great size property. You have so much space all around you, and it's so private, even though you do have some neighbors, like we said, on this street and cul-de-sac. you wouldn't know it with the vegetation and just how peaceful it is out here. Now the home itself is 5598 square feet. So property's large, the house is large as well, of course. That's gonna give you 5 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms. You're also going to have an office and a game room or bonus room, whatever you want to make that into. You'll see when we get through the house. Now, there's also a 4-car garage. It is an oversized garage, so any of your, toys for the most part should fit in there. I mean, you're not going to get an RV in there, but definitely lots of space for parking and any of your other toys.
Absolutely. And the home being built in 2001, one of the benefits of having a home that's a little bit over 20 years old is all the vegetation around here. They have done an amazing job with the landscaping that just makes the home feel like it's always been here, like it's meant to be here. So you're not gonna get that on a new construction home. That's something you have to put in the time in order to get. You've already got it when you move in here. It instantly feels like home.
Now you may be wondering what all of that costs. Of course, it's gonna come with a pretty hefty price tag. This home is currently listed at $2,174,000. Now, if you wanna see what that gets you, stick around. We're gonna go tour inside right now.
Let's go.
All right, so as you step into the beautiful gated courtyard, you can start to see some of that attention to detail I talked about with the architecture. You have the masonry block, you have the brick accents, and then you have this stunning hand-carved wood door. This door is massive and beautiful. You have windows all over, including this beautiful wall of windows in this grand family room. And you can't see it in the video, but those are actually curved, and it is stunning in here. You have the drapes right there that with a push of a button, if you're ready to wind down for the night, you can just close those drapes. You have the beautiful gas, concrete, decorative fireplace right there. Everything has been thought of. Did you see the beautiful wood beams in here? Now come through these wood French doors into this amazing great room. You have the dining area right here. You have a living area that has amazing built-ins, another gas fireplace with that stone front and a beautiful wood mantle. And then this chef's kitchen. This kitchen is amazing. I love it. You have a mix of the granite countertops, you have custom cabinets, but you also have this beautiful butcher block island. And then if you can see from the video, you also have the same exposed wood beams in here as were in that family room when we first came in. You have stainless steel appliances, and then through here, you have an amazing butler's pantry as well. You have built-in lighting everywhere. You have the built-in surround sound. And as we come over here to the guest wing of the house, the first room that we're gonna hit is actually the laundry room. This is one of my dream laundry rooms right here, with just the amount of cabinet and counter space that it has. You're gonna have 4 bedrooms over here. So the 2 that are right over on this side do have ensuite bathrooms. You can actually get a better view of this ensuite from this angle. There you go, beautiful shower. And then this one actually has a huge soaking tub. So you have this beautiful vanity, but then you have the floor to ceiling tile in here and the soaking tub, great size closet. And these 2 bedrooms actually share a Jack and Jill bathroom. This one's gonna feature a shower as well. And if that wasn't enough, this wing also features that bonus room, game room, whatever you want to make this into. This room is a great size, and it has exterior access out to the pool area, and also kind of its own little semi-private patio off here as well. Now, meet me on the other side of the house and I'll show you the primary suite. Now, as you come over to this wing of the house, past that stunning family room again, you're gonna have a half bathroom over here. And this beautiful office area. This is one of my dream offices. Look at these fantastic built-ins with that, you know, again, hand-carved wood on there. I love it. And look at the view. So this actually looks out to what would be like the driveway, that courtyard area that we talked about, just lots of greenery and just very tranquil. Everything you want for your office, right? Now step into the primary suite. Again, those beautiful real wood floors. You have the French doors that go out again to another semi-private patio. And check out this closet. Again, all the built-ins in there. And travertine everywhere in this bathroom. You have the beautiful 24-inch travertine floors. You have the travertine vanity, the walk-in shower, and then this huge soaking tub that looks out north. Again, this is that semi-private patio off the primary with that exterior access as well, and a fountain. Now, same thing, you're ready to wind down for the night. All you gotta do is just push a button and the drapes are closed. Now, let's head out and check out the backyard Oasis. While there are multiple ways to get outside, we're gonna take you through the family room and out onto this section of the beautiful paver covered patio. And this kind of gives you an idea from here, if you look where those different private, semi-private patios are. So over off to this side is that patio that's off of the primary suite. Absolutely beautiful. Over here off of that great room that we were talking about, there's actually a built-in barbecue and seating area. Off this side is that semi-private patio we were talking about that's off of that bonus room, game room area, and you have the turf. And not only that, if you love entertaining, you're gonna love this whole area. You have this bar area, you have a built-in fridge, you have a sink, you have another gas fireplace and a seating area. And if all of this wasn't enough, you have a beautiful, sparkling Pebble Tech pool and spa. Overall, this house and this property is just an entertainer's paradise or a tranquil, relaxing property just for you and your family. All right, so as always, if you stuck around till the end of this video, thank you. Thank you for touring this beautiful luxury property with us today on Tucson's north side. If you have any questions about this property or any other properties in or around Tucson, Arizona, you're thinking about moving here, definitely give us a call, shoot us a text or an email so we can help you make that smooth move. And if you haven't already, make sure that you like, subscribe, and tap that bell for notifications so we can keep you updated on the current market in Tucson, Arizona.
Thank you again for watching. We'll see you on the next video.